It's an honor to be associated with the Lakme Fashion Week for the fifth consecutive season, and partnership with them has gone to the stage of partnering the 6 Degree Stage 1, where we're presenting four extremely talented designers from across the country, Guwahati, Hyderabad, and Calcutta, at the grand stage of the Lakme Fashion Week. Um,
Sorry, no, carry on. I'm
Sorry,
done.
thank you. Yeah. And as you can see, each of the designers have brought some stunning outfits, and to match it, some stunning showstoppers here. So, thanks, Sophie, for being here.
Thank you so much. Thank
Right?
you.
And yeah, the stage is all yours.
Is anyone asking any questions?
Any questions, guys?
Otherwise, somebody else.
Sophie, tell us about your experience walking the runway and also about your beautiful outfit that you sported.
Yeah, I think today I feel really special wearing this outfit because this year, as we're seeing, is all about handloom and make in India, and that's exactly what this collection represents. I think Shamona's done an amazing job. She's from Kolkata, and Baluchuri is a handloom which is a dyeing art. It actually depicts mythological sequences through the clothing, and it's all hand woven, and I think that's an incredibly special thing for a designer to want to invest her time and her money in bringing something like this out. I also think it's a very cool style. I think if you look at girls today, everybody's becoming much cooler, much more on trend. They're mixing tradition with modernity, and I think that's what this collection represents. So I really loved wearing it. It's cool, it's easy. You can dress it up, dress it down. And the one thing that Shamona said to me that I loved is that my collection isn't just for really rich girls. My collection is for working girls who like to dress well.
Absolutely.
And I really love and respect that, because I think that so many of us independent girls working hard to earn our own money, and we still want to look stylish and cool, and yet somehow connect to our culture. And I think that this collection represents that.
Where would you sport something like this too?
You know, I was just telling her backstage that I think these kind of outfits are even perfect for something like a Sangeet, because nowadays when we have to like dance and perform, you want to be light and easy, and you don't want to be worn down by heavy embroidery that you can't move in. So I think it's really cool for something like that. But a skirt like this, you can even just wear it with a ganji and just, you know, wear it to a dinner, wear it to an evening out. You can do anything with it, and that's why I like the collection. Thank you. Thank you so much.
राधिका दुल्हन के रूप में उसके बारे में
जब when I was getting married, जब मैं मेरी शादी हुई तो ऐसे कुछ पहना नहीं था मैंने, तो आज तमन्ना पूरी कर रही हूँ. So I think I really like Saroj's work, because I had actually visited her store in Calcutta once, and since then we've known each other. I really like it because it's so pure. The colors are so pure. They're very traditional, pure colors, and the embroidery is very authentic. It has history. Every small design has some history and some story to tell, and I just like the simplicity of it. And it's just makes, I think once I wore it the first time I'm wearing something like this, it made me feel very special.
How heavy was the garment?
Heavier than what I usually wear, but I'm told not heavy at all compared to what. But I think no, it's not heavy at all actually. If you lift it, no, not really. I wear pajamas, so I find everything heavy.
How was the experience walking the ramp in such heavy outfits? Since you said you
No, I always feel nervous walking the ramp because only the second time I'm doing it. But I felt so pretty today that when I came and I had to put the dupatta on, I just felt really pretty. So it was really wonderful to walk today.
Radhika, in Bollywood, who do you feel a style icon?
Am I a style icon, or you telling me?
Whom do you feel a style icon?
Besides me, I don't think I'm a style icon. But who's a style icon? For me, I like Kiran Rao. Actually, I really like what she wears.
Saroj, can you just tell us, talk us through the outfit that Radhika?
इसके outfit के बारे में.
हाँ, this is traditional work with Jarjodi work. I make 2 months I have to take.
थोड़ा loud लगे.
2 महीना मुझे लगा ये आउटफिट बनाने में, और ये प्योर हैंड वर्क है एंड फुल ऑफ जर्जोदी वर्क.
राधिका, तुला अशा दुल्हनच्या वेशभूषेत पुन्हा एका सिनेमात वगैरे पाहायला मिळालं ना?
I don't know. मैं तो लिखती नहीं हूँ, मैं direct नहीं करती
पण
हूँ
तुला
तो.
आवडेल असं अशा रूपात?
See, that's not how I choose films. So it's you're asking me the opposite process. It goes the other way. But yeah, if an opportunity comes where I have to wear this, I'll wear it for sure. I hope it's not summer when we're shooting. That's all.
Radhika, you're wearing
Your fashion, the way you perceive fashion.
Well, for me, it's comfort, very honestly. And what I like is I really like monotones, and I don't do very much fusion. So I like either very traditional, or I like completely contemporary or completely Western or something. So this is actually something that I really like, a complete traditional outfit. A black, long cotton black dress.
Radhika, you're wearing a bridal outfit today.
Yes.
And every Indian girl at some point of time, they have this perfect wearing dress in their mind, from an early age or depending. So what is your perfect definition or something that you would want to wear for your wedding?
I'm already married. What I wore for my wedding was my grandmother's oldest sari. It was a cotton sari which had holes in it. So I'm exactly not. So yeah, I don't have such an idea actually. I'm very open when it comes to clothes, and I've never fantasized about clothes. So every time I'm given something as pretty as this to wear, I always feel very special because I would never fantasize about it.
राधिका, आपकी फिल्म जो है पास उसका वीडियो लीक हो चुका है, तो what do you like to say for that?
Sorry.
जो फिल्म है पास उसका वीडियो लीक हो चुका है, what is your
आप तो कमाल की है, मैं आप ही का वेट कर रही थी. So that clip is not leaked. The film has released all over the world. So do some research. The film has been on Netflix in the USA, so it's not a leak. And what do you want me to say about that? That's my reaction. It's not a leak.
Talk about your association with Lakme Fashion Week. Like you're taking 4 shows together at one time. How is it?
Well, it's a brilliant experience, and for me, this time the icing on the cake is to have Saroj Jalan back on the ramp. She showcased with us last season, and इस बार बहुत ही अच्छा collection. I think you're getting better every season. And Radhika, I think you're doing complete justice to whatever she's wearing.
Ahalya का bridal version.
और मैं भी निखिल को थैंक्स बोलना चाहती हूँ. निखिल बहुत ही अच्छा हमारे लिए कर रहा है. 6 degree.
Thank
Really
you.
thank for
Well, I think the designer should speak. She's done beautiful traditional stuff.
Thank you
Sanjukta?
so much. She is looking strikingly beautiful. I'm very happy.
What do you have to say about Bipasha, about her ensemble?
Well, it's beautiful. It's these are the colors that I truly love. Being a Bengali, and it's Assam is a neighboring state, and it's beautiful clothes and traditional, and it's I love anything with reds and silk, especially Tassar, the way she has used it. Yeah, I loved it. I love dressing up traditional.
Since you're married as well now, so give us a peekaboo into your sari collection. How is it?
Oh, I whack a lot from my mother still. Yeah, mostly are like that, and I have a lot of designer friends. Yes, I love Sabyasachi a lot because also the fact is that our roots are pretty much the same because we are both from Kolkata, and I have known him from the age of like from the time I was a kid. So a lot of Sabyasachis and Anamika also, another designer that I really like.
विपाशा आपके लिए सबसे फैशनेबल थिंग्स क्या है और ट्रेंड्स कितना फॉलो करती हैं?
अरे ट्रेंड्स कितना फॉलो करते हैं? जो ट्रेंड अच्छा लगता है वो फॉलो करते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर ट्रेंड फॉलो करें. सूट भी होना चाहिए. यू शुड बी कंफर्टेबल विद द ट्रेंड ऑल्सो. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉरी.
सबसे फैशनेबल थिंग क्या है?
ऐसी कोई चीज़ सबसे फैशनेबल आप कभी नहीं कह सकते हो. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच एवरीथिंग इट्स अ साइकिल. It comes and goes. Everything is trendy at a time, and then again it changes and comes back after a couple of years. So, मैं तो, whenever like the 70s fashion comes back, I always used to tell my mom, why didn't you save your bell bottoms and all the, fancy jewelry from that time to give us, because they're really, really cool, because I've seen her pictures. The similar things that I wear, she used to wear at some point of time. So things, keep going on and on. And fashion is something which is, it's a combination of style, like trend, comfort, everything all together.
just करण नहीं है यहाँ पे क्या करते
अरे आज लड़कियों का फैशन शो हुआ.
नहीं विकास
करण को मैं फोटो भेज दूंगी नेक्स्ट टाइम.
Bipasha, you just spoke about
Dominate your wardrobe.
Red, white, black. Yeah.
Bipasha, you just spoke about retro comeback.
Yeah, yeah.
Loving retro fashion.
Yeah.
So what would be your retro comeback lately?
Well, like I said, I do like the flared jeans. I do like the chokers. But now I think it's just, again, too much. Now it's time for it to go again because everybody is pretty much wearing the same things. Yeah, prints, striking prints, soft silhouettes, those, the peasant blouses. Yeah, I love all of that.
One go-to piece in your wardrobe would be?
Shorts and a white peasant top.
Since you spoke about sari, so if you were to gift your foreigner friend a sari, what fabric would that be and why?
Oh, I would give Banarsi silk maybe. Yeah. Why? Because it's very traditional and it's something that, we Bengalis love our Benaroshi. Yeah, I don't know why, but my mother also loves it. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.